Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie here. For today's episode, we are going to continue with our series about Gracie Travels. And this time, I'm gonna share to you my experience on how to get a temporary resident visa to Canada. Yes, you heard me right. So please stay tuned. Video lang. Tara, let's go! Hello everyone! So welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm going to share to you the documents that you needed to prepare if you wanted to travel to Canada as using temporary resident visa. So the first thing that you have to prepare is your travel history, your passport, proof of means of financial support, digital photo, purpose of travel, family information, form IMM 5645, client information, and then the IMM 5257, which is the application for a temporary resident visa made outside Canada. So let me go through with these documents one by one. So number one is the travel history. So you must provide information on your valid visa from the United States as well as previous travel history. This can include a copy of your previous passports and or visas within 10 years, your travel, your entry and exit stamps, study and work permits that indicate your duration outside your country, expired or valid visas, and boarding passes. So if you hold a valid visa from the United States, provide a clear scanned copy of your visa. If you are living outside the country of your citizenship, just like me, I was applying here in Singapore before, so you have to provide a copy of your immigration status document for the country where you are currently living or residing. This could be a work permit, a study permit, a visa, or any other document that authorizes you to be in the country where you are living at the moment. So that's the first document that you have to prepare. The second document that you have to prepare is your passport. So you must submit a legible copy of your valid travel document, which you will use in traveling. If you have a passport, you must provide a copy of the page that shows your birth date and country of origin, and any pages with stamps, visas, or marking. If you do not have any passport and must use another travel document, it must be issued by a government and include your name, your date of birth, your document number, your citizenship or residency status, a photo, and the expiration date. Okay, so for the third document that you have to prepare is your proof of means of financial support. So for a temporary resident visa, if you are visiting Canada, you must prove that you can support yourself and the family members who will be with you while you are in Canada. So provide as many of these documents as you can. Number one, you can use your bank statements for the past 4 to 6 months, a bank draft in convertible currency, pay stubs, an employment letter, proof of assets or business, proof of payment of tuition and accommodation fees, tax reports, declarations or statements, proof of a student and education loan from a financial institution, a letter from the person or institution providing you with money, proof of funding paid within Canada, if you have a scholarship or in a Canadian funded educational program, and the last one is proof of a Canadian bank account in your name if money has been transferred to Canada. So that's for number 3. Okay, let's proceed to number 4, digital photos. So if you are applying for a temporary resident visa or any other visas to Canada, all you have to do is to go to a photo studio and just inform them that you are going to use this photo for this particular purpose, and I think they already know about the specifications of that photo. But to give you an idea, it should be a 40 by 540 pixels, and the size should be 31 mm and 36 mm. So I guess white background, and you just have to go there, and then that's it. Then just scan that one or ask for a soft copy, then it's easier for you to scan that in your application. So the next one that you have to prepare is your client information. So this is just in case if you need more to provide information about your application that you have not already provided yet, you can attach a letter of explanation to your application. Just for me, in my case, I wrote a letter that I will be traveling to Canada in this particular period of time for 2 weeks and purely tourism, and these are my itinerary, my accommodation, and I just gave them an idea that these were the things that basically these are the things that I'm going to do there. Okay, so the next thing that you have to prepare is to fill up the form, which is the application for temporary resident visa made outside Canada. It's IMM 5257. So you must provide a Schedule 1 declaration. A Schedule 1 declaration is a form with questions about your personal history. Where have you been for 10 years? Where did you go? Where did you travel? You will be asked to list information such as any affiliations with organization and any military or government services. Okay, so that's number 6. And then the last one is the application for visitor visa or temporary resident visa. It's the information that you have to provide, which include the details of your profile and the name of your family members, your parents, and your siblings. Last thing that you have to prepare is somebody's calling me. The last thing that you have to prepare is your payment. So the amount of a temporary resident visa is 100 Canadian dollars, and it's non-refundable. So once you gather everything, scan it and submit it, and then you're done. Wait for the result of your application. Usually it will run about 45 days, but for me, I guess I get it only in less than a month. And then once they're satisfied with the documents that you have submitted, they will give you I think 5 to 10 years. It depends on the validity of your passport. So I wish you all the best as you start gathering these documents. And if you have any questions about this, please feel free to drop a comment below, and also you can check the website that I will attach in this video, where you can check the travel restrictions about Canadian temporary resident visa nowadays. And good news, guys, this is something that I am very, very excited to share with you. Once you have a TRV visa, Canada now allows you to apply for a work permit when you are inside Canada holding this TRV visa. So it's such a great thing, because previously they don't allow it, they don't really allow you to do that. You have to go out to Canada. But nowadays, because of the pandemic, they are trying to maximize the time, especially for those who are looking for a job, those who are already inside Canada. You can apply it already using your TRV. God bless, and see you again next time. Goodbye.